everyone, and my name is Burhan, and today I am going to present to you the story Time Travel Terror by Burhan. Part 1, In Town. Zap! Boom! It thundered loudly and lightning flashed and brought its way down to the ground. A machine appeared and out Hero came. He had arrived into the future 302 years after the present, the year 2323. He looked at the surrounding environment. He realized he was in Toronto, now known as N Town. Tall towers glanced down at him, and in front of the huge, majestic buildings around him, Hero's amazement knew no bounds. Suddenly, two men came to him. "Hello, I am Creepy Man," said the first man. "Hi there, my name is Shout Man," said the second. "Here you go," said Creepy Man. "With this gun, you'll become Blazeman." As Hero opened his mouth to say something, Shoutman interrupted him. "No time for introductions," he said. "This gun has fireballs which sets anything on fire. We have to work together to defeat Ender the Dragon quickly, the robotic dragon who's damaging the city." And this is what he looks like. Before he could continue, Hooker, an evil man from the Burhan realm, came with the ball in his hands. "It's not in your house, it's in my hands, and it's going to be burned in the fireplace in our castle, which is my house." With an evil laugh, he disappeared. "Where did he go?" asked Blazeman. "He's gone to the Burhan realm. I have to go there and get the secret supermind ball back." Creepy Man replied. "Come on, partners, hold my hands and let's go there." Actually, since the slide was knocked out, I'll explain to you the things. The secret supermind ball was a ball that was the reason for the Earth's existence. If the secret supermind ball was destroyed, Earth would be destroyed. Bam! They disappeared. Part 2, Burhan realm. Creepy Man and Sharkman led Blazeman to Owl Castle right away. It took 2 hours to reach. The secret supermind ball can stay in the fire without burning for 3 hours, and 2 hours have already passed. We have 1 hour left. Come on, let's get in. Sharkman told Blazeman. There were packs of skeletons and ghosts in the castle. Creepy Man, Sharkman, and Blazeman fought them well for 54 minutes. Now there was 1 big pack of skeletons left. It took 5 minutes to kill them. There was only 1 minute left for the secret supermind ball to burn. Time was running out. They wasted no time in rushing to Walker's room. It took 15 seconds. There were 5 ghosts and 3 skeletons guarding the room, which took 10 seconds to kill. They opened the door and entered the room. The whole place was empty and the floor was covered with water levels that reached to their waists. The only furniture in the room was a cupboard and the fireplace with the secret supermind ball burning in it. Blazeman's gun would not work as the fire from the fireball was put out by the water, while Creepy Man's explosive bullets would only create a small ripple in the water. No matter how hard they tried, their weapons would not work and there was no sign of Sharkman. Now there were only 20 seconds left. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Walker counted. Sharkman was hiding in the closet. He shot a levitational bullet at Walker. Walker was shocked that he got lifted into the air. Blazeman shot a fireball at him. He was too far away from the water, so he burned and died. But the secret supermind ball's fireproof limit of 3 hours was over. "Quick, catch it," Sharkman shouted. "Oh no, what will happen now?" Creepy Man took the secret Superman ball out of the fire in the nick of time. Ew, that was a close one. They all returned happily back to Earth, and Blazeman went back to his time. Now he was not Blazeman anymore. He was Hero. He was never forget his futuristic adventure. The end.